Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Signal account. So if you want to create a Signal account, first of all you have to open up your Signal application, and after opening your Signal application just tap on continue, and now just tap on next. And after tapping on continue, it will ask you if you would like to allow Signal to access your contacts. Just tap on allow. And now if you would like to make phone calls from your Signal app, just tap on allow. And after doing that you have to enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number just tap on continue and then tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, Signal will send you a 6-digit code, and after entering that 6-digit code, now you have to enter your first name and your last name. And after entering your first name and last name, tap on next. And you have to enter a 4-digit PIN for your Signal account. And after creating a PIN, just tap on next. And now you have to re-enter that PIN which you have entered. And after doing all that, you can see you have created your Signal account successfully. So this is how you create your Signal account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.